G'day, how are you? It's Simon, Southern Forest Honey. Now, my wife said I didn't know what a wax wrap is, but I do because we use them all the time for the kids' lunches. Antibacterial, really good alternative to cling wrap. Simply take your piece of food, wrap it in the wrap, and then you can put that in the fridge. Reusable, nice and healthy, good alternative to plastic. But what we're going to do today is we're going to show you how to make some. So we've got our DIY wax wrap kits, and if we look down here, this is how it'll turn up. So this is your first piece of cotton, ready to go. Choose any pattern you want. Now in there we do have your block, okay? Now all you need to do with this is you just drop in an electric fry pan or a double boiler, and then it's just simply a matter of, I've got a nice clean paintbrush there. We just brush that on. Once you've given your piece of fabric a nice good coating, we'll go that way, and we're going to put it in the oven, okay? So about 95 degrees, only takes about 3 minutes. Time lapse, ta-da! There's one we did earlier. Take it out, it's going to be a little bit warm, but just give it a bit of a wave in the breeze, cool it down a bit, and then there you have it, ready to go. All in under 4 minutes. So thanks for watching, check out the web store, but yeah, all natural ingredients, and hope you enjoy it.